What's going on, family? This is not financial advice. Do your own research, man. We're going to be getting into Netflix, why I think this is a good swing play, and then we're going to be getting into the S&P. So I've been watching this Netflix for about a week now, and it's kind of stuck in this range, and it couldn't get past the 250 level. So I'm looking for a break and a hold above the 250 level before I get long. This is going to be a swing play for me. Could be an options play. Options are swing plays are pretty risky right now, but it just depends on how this closes. We're gonna zoom in and see exactly what the price action did today, and they could not get above and hold this 250 zone. So you kind of see this is Thursday. This is taking you all the way back to Thursday. So they came up here Thursday. They hit this area once. They came up Monday. They hit this area once, twice, 3 times. Couldn't get past it. And then they came back up again today. Shot a wick up there and could not get back to that 250 level. So 250 is a very strong zone for Netflix right now. I do like this play above 250 if they can find support up there. At the currently they cannot, so depends on what the S&P does. The S&P rallies, and I'm looking for this thing to break and hold above 250, and looking for a price target around $300 for Netflix. So I do want to show you guys. We're gonna go right on back to the S&P. I'm gonna have to bag out of here real quick for you. We're gonna bag out. We're gonna go right back to the S&P. After we check this out, I do like UCO. So this is oil. Oil has declined, as you guys know. They've broken down over the past maybe 2 months, 2 to 3 months. I do like this idea that they're in this range. I might be playing this range for a long play if the market falls. So currently about $32 right now. They could not break above the 35 area. So if they can break above the 35 and hold, I'm looking for a long play up to about 36 area. What is that? About 38, 39 area. For UCO. That's another play that I'm watching very closely. And then we're going to get straight into the S&P, man. So the S&P, as you know, man, today was big rejection day, man. They got rejected up there so aggressively. You literally had no entry points. You could not even get in this trade unless you were short already. Like, it was very sharp. The move was so sharp. I was surprised they rejected off of this level. It's 431 level. So we got 2 legs up. They fell out the bottom of this range this morning. So we got a higher low, failed breakout, and then we got a spike up. So around 11 o'clock, they spiked up. They made a new high, pushed straight on up. They pulled back to the moving average, and they based. And they had a hammer on there. You could have definitely took that back up to the highs. I had no clue they were going that high, though. Somewhere around this time, I don't know what made this happen. This is like 3:30. They had a big old spike up, and I don't know where it came from. I think that was around 1:30. A big old spike up, and I don't know where it came from. They finished at plus 0.20% on a day. So they did have a decent trade, long trade. Other than that, you had to play the range today. but I do like the break back to the moving average and a new high. So that would have been my trade if I would have took one today. The break and a new high right up in this area. This was the trade. The pullback to the moving average, it was about a 23% retracement. It wasn't a big retracement, so you could have took a chance on that one, but I seen big rejection up there. So we're gonna go to the daily time frame and see exactly what they're doing, because as you know, they did break this level. So they broke through the 50. They could be heading to the 618 up here around 435.21, but we're gonna zoom in and see exactly. They had a rejection bar, but right before the close, as you can see, it turned into a bullish candle, kind of like a doji with a bullish body on there, and they made a new high again. So they kind of touched my trend line. I looked at other people's charts and their trend line is a little higher up, but they did come to this key level at 4,300 today. They broke it and they closed right above it. So they got rejected up there. It's a moving average right up there, the 200, and they kind of kissed it, but we won't know till tomorrow exactly if that's rejection. But they did reject off that failed breakouts, but they did not push lower. I'm looking for a push lower now, about to down 4,000, because they're so overextended in this market, man. They have to do a huge pullback at this point, because there's no telling what they're gonna do, man. If they push straight up through that, they gotta be going on a tear at this point, man. So we're gonna see what happens tomorrow, man. Hope you guys had a good trading day today. I'll see you guys in the AM.